All right, here's our last example for this lesson. Says, in a movie theater 200 feet long, the floor is sloped so that there's a difference of 40 feet between the front and back of the theater. So that makes sense. You know, if you're in the back row, you're higher than the people in the front row. So what is the angle of elevation? So let's say that this is our movie screen right here. So that's the screen. They're saying that the movie theater is 200 feet long. So from here to the back is 200 feet long. The floor is sloped so that there's a difference of 40 feet. So here's the sloping floor. So from the screen, you know how it's going to go up like that. And so up to the top row, that is a 40 feet difference. What is the angle of elevation? So the angle of elevation, we're going to go back to the movie screen right here. And remember, elevation is from the ground up. So from the ground, that's your horizontal, up to the line. That's our angle of elevation. So we're going to call that theta. And we have to solve for theta. So we're going to label everything according to this angle. You have your opposite side, which is 40. Your hypotenuse, which is not given to us. We actually won't use it. And the third side is the adjacent side. So similar to the last couple, we're only going to use the opposite and adjacent. So if you go through SOHCAHTOA, TOA is the one that uses opposite and adjacent. So we're just going to do tangent of theta is equal to the opposite side, which is 40, over the adjacent side, 200. All right, so here's one of these again where if you're trying to find the angle, you have to bring in the inverse. So we're going to do the inverse tan, that's a -1, of 40 over 200. So on your calculator, you do second tangent, and in those parentheses, 40 divided by 200, and we get theta is equal to 11.3 degrees.